So I think I've gotten to the point where if something is boring or plain, I just can't leave it alone. So basically I've been spending all of my free time customizing every little thing that I own to bring me happiness. Hey babes, if you haven't been here before, I'm McKenna. Nice to meet you. So I'm going to show you a few of the crafts that I've done, and I hope this inspires you to create something awesome. Let me show you what I've been working on lately. So I have visited a few Hobby Lobbies, and none of them want to carry this size rhinestone in a blue color. So I picked up the bigger ones than the smaller ones.
I used E6000 glue for this project and it worked so well for me. Also, I can't tell if I like the different size rhinestones, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. I will say I think this is one of my favorite projects in this video because it just turned out so stinking cute.
I just really think it does not get better than this. I forgot to grab more pink, so we're almost done. But just imagine she's finished. There is actually so many ways that you could do this. I lost all of my footage. I don't know where the heck it went, honestly. I ordered these mosaic glass pieces. You do not have to buy these, but it does help. They just cut the glass. Also be careful because I cut my fingers. I cannot tell you how many times. I had the idea that I wanted to make mosaic lamps without going to a class and paying $50 to $200. So I ordered everything off of Amazon and created it. Because whenever you're a crafty little person, what else do you do besides DIY? She's so gorgeous. I don't know if you can even really tell that on camera, but she is so pretty in person. I done this one, and then my boyfriend done this one. He made the sun with the rays in the sky. How freaking sweet is that? The next thing is I'm gonna take this mirror and spray paint it. I love this little tray down here. I just don't like the colors of it. So I'm just gonna tape off the mirror. All done. Let's go outside. I put down this poster board. If you can't tell, she is well loved. Once I started spray painting, I just can't stop. I just done a frame, and now I'm gonna do this basketball hoop. I still can't believe this because I got this from the Goodwill bins, and they usually cost like $30 to $40 online. I put batteries in it to see if it still works. Yay! I'm gonna tape off this middle section right here so you can still see the numbers and stuff, so be right back. I just assembled everything together, and I bought these forever ago, so I'm just going to tie them to the ends with some thread.
I also can't make my mind up if I want to replace the nets with more crystals or if I want to get gold chains. I'm so happy with how this came out.
Why just have a boring case that I can put my glasses into whenever I could make something that is so cute? And I'm actually thinking of redoing this. I seen this little crab one, and I am just so obsessed with that one, so I will be making that. I know it looks complicated, but I believe in you. Now say it with me. We can do complicated things.
I made this a while ago, so I don't have any clips to show you, but how I done this was I basically just got the shape that I wanted, and then after it dried, I went in with an X-Acto knife and started carving out the teeth and all of the details.
The first thing that I need to finish is this little guy, and I'm thinking of doing his beard in glitter because what else would make him fabulous?
I'm choosing this white glitter.
To hold water. Oh, it don't really roll. Oops. Much fun. I think I'm gonna do the front side and then the back side.
You can buy these ceramic pieces at places like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Dollar General. I highly recommend because I thought this was just so fun. Definitely a good way to customize it to you.
I think I'm gonna give him pants down here, but I don't know. I also need to add something to the sun, but I'm definitely gonna let that dry for a second.
Next, I have these two geometric cats.
I think I'm going to paint them to look like my cat, just in a geometric shape, which I've never done before, so this might turn out very ugly. This is the inspo I'm going off of.
This was a really long process that took me a few days.
I really need a lamp right here to shine down to make this area brighter. Where this is backlit, like there's shadows on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but
This was a really long process that took me a few days because I tried not to be a perfectionist, but that didn't happen, as you can see.
this is gonna be so cute. I'm already so excited. Tipper is done. Tell me you cannot see the resemblance. That's so cute. Okay, here's the befores and the afters. I am actually just so obsessed. I promise you do not want a tutorial from me because I still have semi no idea what I'm doing. But what I did do is I created a hair scarf and then I took one of my favorite characters and put their little emblem on it. And this is Chopper's little medical badge. How cute is that? So what I recommend, looking on YouTube for a tutorial on how to crochet your own hair scarf. I forget how much I love it until I put it on.
Starting off with pearls I got from Hobby Lobby, some fishing line I got from my boyfriend, and some clasp I already had. I basically just tied a knot, put all the pearls onto the string, and then I added the clasp to both sides to end up with something that looked like this. And you could get so creative and make so many different things. Like you could use this for your bra straps, you could turn it into necklaces or bracelets, or you can even put it on your bags or shoes.
So if you have any random objects in your house, this is your sign to give it the most perfect, ridiculous makeover that you can. Let me know in the comments what you're going to do. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. If you want to see what else that I'm doing, make sure to subscribe because knowing me, I cannot leave anything alone. As always, see you next week. Love you, babes.